Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify online store to the SalesPlay POS so you can start managing online orders directly from your POS. Let's jump right in. First, I'm already logged into my Shopify admin. What we're going to do is create a custom app to connect with SalesPlay. Let's start by copying our store URL. Just go to Online Store on the left, and you'll see it right here at the top. Copy this URL. Now I'll go to the sales channels and then click on App and Sales Channel Settings. At the top right, you'll see Develop Apps. Click that. You may have to enable custom app development if it's your first time. Go ahead and allow that. Now we click Create an App. I'll call this one SalesPlay Integration and then click Create App. All right, now we need to set the permissions for the API. So I'm heading to API Credentials, then clicking Configure Admin API Scopes. Here, I'm enabling all relevant read and write scopes, like orders, products, inventory, and customers. Once that's done, click Save. Let's refresh the page. Now you'll see the Install App button. Click that, then hit Install. And here's our final step. Click Reveal Token once, copy your admin API token, and make sure to store it somewhere safe. You won't be able to view it again. Now let's hop into the SalesPlay back office and connect Shopify. From the main dashboard, I'm heading to Settings, then Features. Here, I'll scroll down and enable the WooCommerce/Shopify integration toggle. Don't forget to click Save After. Now under Settings, I go to E-commerce integration. Click Add E-commerce. Choose Shopify from the list, paste your store URL, and then paste the API token we copied earlier. Then just select your shop and terminal and hit Save. That's it. The connection is now live. Once connected, open the SalesPlay POS app to manage your digital orders. Tap on Open Orders from the main menu. Under New Digital Orders, you'll find incoming orders from your store. Tap on any order to view it. You can accept or reject the order. Note, if the customer paid online, rejecting the order won't be possible. After accepting, tap View to see the order details. If payment hasn't been collected yet, tap Charge to complete the transaction. For prepaid orders, the system will mark it complete automatically. To review and track order history, go back to your SalesPlay back office. Navigate to the Report section and select Digital Orders. Here, you'll see all orders, including their current status, either pending or completed. You can download this report anytime as a PDF or CSV file. And there you go. Your Shopify store is now fully connected to SalesPlay POS. It's a quick setup that gives you complete control over online orders, right from your POS. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up or share it with your team. See you in the next one.